I quit my job. Not necessarily because I hated it, more so because I wanted to pursue something else. So far, change has always been an integral part of my life. Within the last 8 years, for example, I moved 7 times while always seeking out new encounters, adventures and experiences. The change in new experiences also brought me to my last employment. In December 2019, I started a trainee program and it included a 6-month stay abroad. And we already organized everything, like where we'll go, what I will do. But as we all know, in 2020 there happened something, a little inconvenience called
Coronavirus.
COVID-19.
In Australia, a run on toilet paper leads to lessons in self-defense.
He's going to show you how to deal with people stealing your toilet paper.
Anyway, now that's a thing of the past and travel is possible again, fingers crossed. In about 2 weeks I will embark on a bicycle trip with no time limit and no clear route so far. More about it later on. Why a bicycle, you might ask? Well, let me tell you, it's definitely not because I'm a bicycle fanatic. In fact, I never cycled more than 1 day in a stretch before. Car is too expensive, prone to repairs which I cannot fix myself and unflexible. Similar things for the motorcycle and a Segway, well, let's skip that one. What about a donkey? Here, by the way, thanks to you, Juan, for the good suggestion. I mean, it speaks for itself. It can fuel itself, it can carry a lot of weight. And it is a donkey, so what else is there to say? The only negative point I came up with is that I don't have a donkey and I don't know where to get one. But I would lie to you if I wouldn't have noted it down somewhere, and who knows, maybe I will come back to it in the future. So bicycle it is, and here's mine. If you're interested, I can make some further videos about a bicycle or my gear specifically. Just let me know in the comments below. I did not mention one big advantage of the bicycle before. It's a really good conversation starter and it will lead to a lot of interactions with other people. Here in this YouTube channel I will share my experiences with interesting people and places, so make sure to subscribe if you did not already to not miss any video. If you want to see more frequent pictures and videos, head over to my Instagram. For additional information, check out my website, the link is in the description. The first chapter of this journey will take me through Eastern Europe. I've never really had the opportunity to explore this region of the world so far, so I'm really looking forward to do that now. This is just an idea and not a fixed plan, so I'm always open to deviate from it. As I say, the journey is the reward.